Morning, everybody. So today we have Lenovo, and the model number is okay. Okay, so it's a G500 Lenovo. I'm going to show you how to change quickly the hard drive. So let's begin the job and change my camera. Give me a second. There you go. So in this kind of machine, normally they have locks under this. You see that here, there's locks here. So you have to take out the screws. Okay. With any screwdriver, just put it in the middle and then squeeze like this. So there you go. So here's the hard drive is. Let's see the screws first. This is a different laptop. There you go. So just change the fitting from here. There you go. Let me grab the new hard drive, come back. Okay guys, so here's a new hard drive and now we had to put it back to the fitting and then we'll put it back there. Okay, let's put the screws. Okay, so let's put the cover back. Let's put the battery back and then we'll try first. Should be good. There you go. So I installed the window 10 on it, so it should working out. So let me change the camera. So Here you go. So that was a job. You will fix it like in half an hour, 45 minutes with the new hard drive, with the new installation. So please do like my page, share it. If you, I mean, maybe somebody need this help. Somebody had this laptop and have issue with that. So he can fix it if you want to do his own. Take care of yourself. Have a fabulous day. Christmas gone already. Holidays still going on. New Year coming in tomorrow. Yeah, just one more day. So wish you a very happy New Year in advance. और हम दुआ करते हैं कि इंशाल्लाह ये जो नया साल है ये हमें बहुत सारी खुशियां लेके आएगा. जैसे 2020 में हम लोगों ने बहुत सफ़र किया कोविड-19 की वजह से. बहुत से लोग इस दुनिया से चले गए. मैं अल्लाह उन सबको गरी के रहमत करे, उनके घर वालों को सब्र दे, और जितने लोग अभी इससे बीमारी से जो है वो सफ़र कर रहे हैं, अल्लाह ताला सबको सेहत तंदुरुस्ती अता फरमाए. अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा. ठीक है.